Ever feel like your finances are a bit chaotic? Maybe you're juggling multiple accounts and things are starting to feel overwhelming. Or maybe you found a new financial tool that better suits your needs. Whatever the reason, you might be wondering, can I actually cancel my Vivid Money account? Vivid Money is a popular banking app that offers a unique blend of features, from spending analysis to investing options. It's designed to make managing your money more enjoyable and insightful. But sometimes, things change. Maybe your financial goals have shifted, or perhaps you're simply not getting the value you expected. The good news is that canceling your Vivid Money account is generally a straightforward process. However, there are a few important things to keep in mind before you hit that delete button. 1. Understand the implications. Before you cancel, it's crucial to understand the implications. Funds. Ensure all your funds are withdrawn from your Vivid Money account. This includes any available balance and any pending transactions. Investments. If you've invested through Vivid Money, you'll need to sell your investments before closing your account. This might involve potential capital gains or losses. Linked accounts. If you've linked any external accounts, such as bank accounts or credit cards, you'll need to unlink them to prevent any future connections. 2. Review the terms and conditions. Familiarize yourself with Vivid Money's terms and conditions. This document will outline the specific procedures for account closure and any associated fees or restrictions. 3. Contact customer support. The most reliable way to cancel your account is by contacting Vivid Money's customer support. In-app support. Most banking apps have an in-app chat or support function. This is often the quickest and easiest way to reach out. Email. If in-app support isn't available or you prefer a more formal approach, you can usually cancel your account via email. Phone. For immediate assistance or complex inquiries, you may be able to contact Vivid Money customer support by phone. 4. Confirm account closure. Once you've initiated the cancellation process, be sure to confirm with customer support that your account has been successfully closed. Request a confirmation email or document as proof of closure. 5. Data privacy. After your account is closed, inquire about data privacy. Ask Vivid Money how they will handle your personal data and whether they will retain any information. 6. Alternative options. Before completely closing your account, consider alternative options. Account downgrade. If you're not entirely satisfied with Vivid Money but still find some of its features useful, explore the possibility of downgrading your account to a more basic plan. Contacting support for feedback. If you're experiencing issues or have specific concerns, reach out to Vivid Money customer support with your feedback. This may help improve their services for other users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.